Denbigh 2026.
Welcome back to another adventure, guys. So today we're actually at Denbigh 2026, Jamaica's biggest agricultural show, where you can experience everything from plants, farming, cultural, entertainment, and some amazing food, guys. So it is actually Saturday, right, which is the second day for Denbigh. So it's actually a 3-day event. So today is actually Saturday, which is Emancipation Day. So you already know the vibe I got right, people, because a lot of people don't really have to go work today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the tour from the gas station. I'm wanting to have the full experience, guys. Some people will look on some plants and anything else we see in here about the prices and where we can get them. Alright, so guys, just stay tuned and enjoy the video. So this is the vibes. This is where I'm actually gonna start it, right from the intersection. So a lot of people that actually come out today. I see the police over there, so directing the traffic and everything. So I guess this is your entrance where you can enter from. So gate 2A. Alright, so I got it. I got the next entrance. Trust me, people, now I have a problem for park here from the come on the Sunday. It's a problem with the parking. See, a lot of people are parked right on the side of the road. Alright, so this is gate 3. Alright, so I gotta enter from here. Hope I don't lose a ticket, you know. Can you imagine people if I lose a ticket? Sure. Alright, so I'll show you the bus. So you basically come here and you pay for the ticket right here, so from this bus. So this is the bus where you pay the ticket money, whether for the adults or the child or children, and this is where you enter from. I'm already, man. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where that igloo?
So the next 2 igloo.
Where are they?
In 9 bus.
So you not go see Sanchez?
So see here. Alright, so we are basically on the inside now. Where to start from though? Where to start from? Alright, so you can start from this section because basically it's at the front and we'll work our way to the other sections. We have a lot of plants. There's mango. A lot of them plants here, me not even know what them. Breadfruit. Lovely plants. Lovely plants, people. Some plants on this side. What is? Sorry.
I don't know if we ever get to go down the nursery tonight.
I make it until after dinner.
Cashew. Where do you go over?
Oscar.
See some name I never see before. Governor's plum. See that one? Purple custard apple. See that one here? Miracle fruit. There's a lot of people in this section. Not even see anybody to talk to. Right. Excuse me. Sorry.
What's the price?
Body well occupied today. It's a very busy day today. Hello, this is your booth, right? This is your booth. So if anyone wanted to like purchase one of these after, yeah.
Call me.
And so can I talk for the camera? So this is actually YouTube.
I can't be posted.
Oh, you don't want to face the floor.
I don't want it to be here. My daughter doesn't know I'm here.
Okay. Sorry. So you can just list the number.
Okay, it is 658-203-5068.
And which part of Jamaica would I say you're located? Mandeville. All right. So for anyone that wants to purchase one of these,
Call me and I can arrange for it.
all right. So you get it for yourself, guys. All right. Thanks very much.
Did I go on?
Nobody else will put
Where are you?
How much is the mulberry?
1500.
1500.
Oh yeah. All right. So she have some pots as well. So the same lady that we just booked a while ago. All right. So these are the flower pots. Look nice too, huh? Yeah. So this. The place is full of plants, you know, people. Sure. You can see there's a lot of people that come out on the Saturday. Jelly and everything you want to see. How much is jelly? Yeah, sell jelly. How much you want? Can't get jelly over everything.
I'll tell you there.
Jelly like a nothing.
Yes, me. The gentleman right there.
Nice lady of Scotch bonnet.
Bunny outside there.
Let me see. Let me get the number here. So this is the phone number to reach you, right?
Yeah.
And where exactly are you located?
Even.
Okay. Alright. Sorry.
The red sauce one. The miniature one.
What them have it in yellow, don't it?
Yeah. But you have some miniature, you know.
Miniature.
Yeah, when I read that,
Which one you want? Miniature.
Boss, are you hear about this? You can come give them a number where you can reach, you know. Yeah?
Let me see that one.
Oh, you're the right person to talk to?
Hey, that you change it? Yes.
Oh, gosh. So, I had a YouTube video, right? So I show the viewers them the plants them and where they can basically reach you if they're interested after Denbigh. Alright. So this is the section. If you see some plants in here, I'm gonna try to get the contact. So after Denbigh, anybody interested them can reach out to the person so you can get the plants. So. So I can basically come here on the Sunday and get the plants in. So if I can't make it on the Sunday, I can reach out to them after the Sunday and you can get the exact plants for this booth section.
You better have more line.
You can see the places. Oh, I mean something. Alright, so
Interview yard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, talk to one of the flowers lady.
You are the flowers lady. Come on, not shy yourself, man. Just tell me your information.
Alright, so this is let me tell you what it is.
I want to see the video tonight.
Okay, so this is beautiful flowers and more. And as you can see, we have a lot of plants, all different type of plants. You have aglaonema, you have philodendron, you have monstera, you have the panadol plant, and you know that's a form of herb for pain. We have different types of mango trees, lime trees, orange trees, and of course you can find her at 876-347-3603 or at beautiful.flowers96. Alright, and as you can see her Instagram page, mybeautifulflowers_ and more.
And where exactly
Alright.
is she located?
She's located in Bagwalk. Bagwalk, Linstead. Yes. Alright?
Alright, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Alright, so guys, you're here for yourself. So after Denbigh, if you couldn't make it to Sunday, that is the contact information. Alright, so we basically go walk around and take a look-see on the other plants them, and we're just gonna move to a different section. It look like Christmas tree. Are you a good rider? I can talk on the camera though. Right. So basically, just telling me located and we can reach out to you after Denbigh. Yeah. If the time can make this one.
Alright, so we're located at Osborne Store Road, Clarendon. And now have a contact yet, but I'll give it to you in a second. Yeah, man. So,
Basically, just tell me what kind of plants you have here.
yeah, man.
If you can remember it from the top of your head.
Yeah, may I try them, man. Alright, so we have some marigold also. And the marigold themselves, the 1500.
1500.
Yeah, man. We have some cockspur themselves, 1500 too.
Where good Italian?
Italian cypress.
Cyprus.
Yeah, cypress.
Cyprus.
Yeah, them one and grow tall like Christmas tree them.
Yeah,
man.
The first thing is going to see.
They're expensive though, man.
Much more.
30,000.
So 30,000 for one of these.
3,000. Oh, 3,000.
30,000 for one of these.
Some people might sell them more expensive though.
So which one did I say that you like the fastest selling?
Fastest selling? But the whole I book them. The whole I also food still.
So from the Friday, they're from the Friday, right?
Yeah.
So the turnout from the Friday.
It turned out better than I personally expected. Especially for today. No, sorry.
And then first, are you always here for the first Denbigh?
No.
So every year?
Every year.
So I think I'll give me the number.
Yeah, let me get the number.
So I'm just gonna give the number so you guys can reach out to them. But then if you couldn't make it this Sunday, and if you could be here on the Saturday, because we're actually here on the Saturday right now. Sorry.
Oh, yes, this one. How much is that?
Let's start.
And me ask him to be honest.
1658 is a Jamaican airport. So you might see the airport, and I wonder if a Jamaican or a Jamaican airport. It's 1658. Pick up yourself, yeah? Alright. So people, as you can see, is a big turnout. I'm not sure how the Friday did look, but this is how the Saturday looks right now. Alright. So this is the Saturday Emancipation Day at Denbigh 2026. Alright, so see another section over here, so run the plants world. Alright, so see a phone number 876-771-8626. Alright, so I gotta check out the plants in this section, and if you're interested to know exactly who to reach. Alright, so I gotta take a look at this booth.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon. So this is your booth?
Yes.
Could
Part of
you?
the team.
Okay. So could you like explain to the viewers the type of plants that you have here and which area of Jamaica you're located and how they can reach out to you guys?
The information, like the detailed information, probably can video that.
Oh yeah, I got the number already.
Right, all of that.
Alright, just tell me all the information where you have on top of it right now.
This is the night. When you're ready, you know.
No, I'm ready.
Okay. Hello, viewers. Good afternoon. And this is Denbigh 2026. And my booth here is Randy's Plant World. We have a variety of plants here. We have coleus, different varieties, 3 different varieties. We have this one, and that one. We have zinnias.
Which one is zinnia?
This is zinnia, and we have the bigger ones. We have coxcomb, which everybody is just going amazed over.
What's the
because
name
it
of
looks coxcomb.
Coxcomb.
Yeah, it
So
looks
you
kind of
said-
artificial.
So you said this is the fastest selling right now?
This one and the lady in pink. This one down here.
Coxcomb
Yes.
and
Lady in pink. Yeah, so we have it in the pot, and we have the hanging ones. Yeah, this one is most favorite. Those 2. We also have marigold, and over here we have hydrangeas.
hydrangea.
Yes, these are hybrid plants, and they're very nice. As you can see, we have different colors. We have pink, blue, and purple. On the table we have sun patience,
Some patient. This
which
one?
is this one. We have different colors in it as well.
There are different colors of the
Yes, different colors. And beside the sun patience, we have Torino.
Torino.
Yes. And over here we have Petunia
Petunia.
and Begonia. Okay. So we also have herbs, which thyme, sweet basil. This is thyme, sweet basil, and mint. So these are the herbs that we have today, that we have brought with us today. So as you can see, we have a wide variety of different things to choose for. Yeah, so you have flowering and non-flowering, and they're all beautiful.
So since Friday, right? How has the turnout been for you?
Oh, since Friday, it's been growing. Yesterday was the first day. We're having more people coming through today as we go along. So the day is just right in the middle of the day, so we're expecting more turnout as the day go along.
And it's your first year?
No, we've been here for like 20. We've been coming like for 20 odd years, so we're well known. And
So which one of the days you would say would have been
we're in the
booming?
best.
Yeah.
I think is the last day.
Sunday.
Yes,
How much Sunday?
because people have more time to come out, I would think, and no work. So
So it's a holiday, so I expect today a lot of people come out today too.
yeah, well, some people want to rest, but I understand that Sunday usually is the biggest turnout.
Biggest turnout, yeah.
I don't know if because it's the last day, everybody wants to come and catch before it ends. So that would be the biggest turnout for us. And we also, I didn't show you this one. These are, the name slipped me. I don't know. That one, I can't remember the name for that one. I know it, you know, I
Because you
know
don't
it.
remember right now,
I
people.
know it, but because so much information overload, I still tell you. Chubby, remind me of the name of this again? The name for this one. The hanging one. orchids. You
Orchids.
see? Everybody know them. So those are what we have to offer today. You're welcome.
Alright, so as I said, I can reach out to the phone number that I showed in
and
the
the
beginning.
email address.
And email
in
address.
front
Alright.
of that is posted at the front of the tent.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So we're gonna go to a few more booths. So this was the booth that I just viewed a while ago. Right. So we're gonna touch on a couple more booths and then we'll go to a different section. Alright, so the phone number again, Randy's Plant World, phone number 876-771-8626. People, may I tell you, the sun is crazy out here. It's definitely a good thing we really had there, you know, people. And there's a lot of people outside, a lot of vendors outside selling them. So it's a good thing we really. The sun is kicking. Alright, so a booth here. Probably won't be able to talk to everybody, but you know, as much as I can. As you can see, it's a very busy day. Most of them are very busy right now. A lot of people buying their plants. I sell flower spot over here, so come talk to you. Alright, so they see them have some flower spot over here, so my boss I go give you some information. So they start to the viewers and just make them know where them can find them kind of bars here. The right person over there, sir. Alright. So I see some nice bars, you know, we have to get the information. Hello, good afternoon. Alright, so this is basically YouTube. I'm doing a video on Denbigh. So if you can just give the viewers them some information. So if they couldn't make it to Denbigh today or tomorrow, you can probably give them some information, the phone number and everything. So you are the maker of this?
No, my husband does. I think he said about that.
So why I'm sending me away, so? Eh? What about you afraid of camera? Are you more want to talk to, you know? Who want to find out how you make them, you know? Eh? Come on.
Process is very hard.
But you know, when I know who I can see the video, I would be interested, you know, so you get me, so just talk to them man and just tell me. Alright, see you take the mic. Just talk to me, tell me where you know, tell me where you want the viewers.
I have all different prices. From $1,000 upward. I have $1,000 to $15,000.
So show me 1,000 up to 50.
These are 1,000.
$1,000.
Yeah. 5,000. 3,500. 4,000. I have this up is 5,000.
5,000.
Yes, this up is 5,000.
Yeah.
I have 6,000. I have 7,000. This up is 10,000. Yeah. I have this one is glazed walls. Ceramic. This one is ceramic. Right.
Like a pier.
Yeah. That one is of $8,000. 3,500. Yeah, all different prices.
All different. I see the man I want pier. You see the same thing. See pier them people. And this is make it offer. Actually, tell me not look like pear. Not look like pear. Alright.
Yeah.
So inspired by pear people.
So all different prices. And you can.
Alright, so you
That is my number.
So
Yeah.
I go get let me just tell the number from now, which is so the phone number is 876-217-7214. Right? So I'm gonna list all of the rest of the number on the screen so you guys can get the idea or way to reach out to him. So if somebody wants to like them have an idea, them want a pot design, them can reach out to you.
Yeah. Make all different prices, all
Alright.
different design. If you have your own design, just send it to me and I will.
Alright. So some more ask you, one more.
Yeah.
So far from the Friday, the opening, how has the turnout been from the Friday?
From the Friday.
Yeah, all the sales and everything.
Well, the sales not good. Very slow right now.
So your first Denbigh, are you there?
No, I hear all the while.
All the while. So which one of the day that we consider would have been like best day?
Well, I believe today should be the best day.
Today?
Yep.
You know,
Because
a couple people and them say the Sunday because
no,
everybody at the last
listen.
minute.
You see, on the Sunday, most people take out their children to concert and those things. So them are going to say them can't carry the load and those things. So on the Saturday, it never used to happen on a Saturday. You know, Saturday was used before they used to end on a Monday. So they would do it on a Sunday. Sunday would be the best day. But you end up where they have to do it from Friday, you know, because it never used to happen on a Friday. It used to start on Saturday, Sunday and Monday.
Oh, you don't never know that?
Yes.
Which one of the days them did have it on one day? Last year or year before last?
I think last year after the first hurricane, I think they did have it one day last.
Alright. So as you said, I get information because people love.
Yeah, it's very slow now.
People love them here.
Yeah, I know that,
Love them.
but it's very slow now, you know. But you have to just take time go on.
Yeah, pick up, man.
I am away
And
from
this is the right person to walk because some people just want to hurry up and you see the sun is crazy over the sun.
Yes,
Just wanna come
yes.
in the plant
And first time it wasn't here, we were way down there, but then
Okay,
shift
so you
it
get
here.
closer
So
to the-
yeah,
Yeah.
so just people just gravitate to where it is now. I think it happened up here last year and this year. So people just get to understand says up here so
Respect here. Alright, so obviously guys, I'm gonna put the phone number for this section and take a last look so you guys can get an idea of what kind of flower spot they have. So hopefully guys, when the video is released, you can come at this section of the booth and you make your purchase, man. They have some nice spots in this area. Alright, so we are going to move on to a different section. I'll just take a last look. Alright, so as I said guys, the sun is crazy out here. Oh, this is your booth? Alright, these are nice. Alright, so in case if anyone wanted to reach out to you after Denbigh, how could they reach out?
799-546. That's 799-546.
And where in Jamaica you're located?
I'm located in Manchester.
Manchester. For anybody in Manchester, outside of Manchester, you have the number for yourself. So I'm gonna take a last look at them. Yeah, they're really nice. Alright, thanks. Up close, and I will put the numbers on the screen so you guys, and the TikTok information is there. So I will put everything on the screen so you guys can reach out to them. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna move on to a couple other booths. A lot of people here now. Jeez. I'm barely even touch the surface yet. Jesus. People, we have a lot of walking. That's just one section. That is just one section. Catching pavilion. What am I inside there? It's over there. So, alright. So we're gonna touch on there. Let me see. Where's the entrance? Alright. Which way we're going? We're gonna walk. We're gonna walk, people. We're gonna walk. Alright. No entrance over that side. Alright. Well, I see some boat. Alright. Alright. Alright, so see our next booth over here. Supply
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Beverly and I'm the receptionist at JACRA. Basically what JACRA do, we are a regulatory body under the Ministry of Agriculture. We regulate several commodities like coffee, cocoa, and all the spices included turmeric, ginger, pimento, nutmeg and coconut. We issue permit and license for all the commodities. That's basically what we do at JACRA.
What we offer to the average consumer in terms of where they would reach out to you for business?
Okay, we are located at 1 Willie Henry Drive, Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston. That's our location.
So in case I need a phone number?
In case you need a phone number, you can always call 923 2142 or 923 2163.
Are you on TikTok or Instagram?
Yes, we are on Instagram.
So what's the information for Instagram?
At jacra.org. Right. You're welcome.
So I'm just gonna show you guys around this booth and then we move on to another booth outside. There's a lot of booths at Denbigh. So I don't know how I'm gonna get through to all of them, but I'm gonna try people. Alright, so this is basically I deal with the coffee. Alright. So basically these are the coffee beans, green beans, roasted beans, parchment. Alright. Alright. Alright, so we'll move on to a different section. Feel like I leave out something at the front. Alright, we'll go back at the front section on a different side because we basically started from the front.
No, excuse me.
Chickens are fresh.
Yes?
No, the chickens is something, raising chickens but people don't understand that raising chickens is it's really a critical considered situation. It's not just the little cute chicks and then they become, and the yellow one and they grow and then it's a thing. Are there any diseases that chickens got?
Yes, so wide array of bacterial diseases, especially for the layers of the eggs. Salmonella is always a risk. The exotic diseases that we worry about is like avian influenza. So last year, November, Cayman, one of our closest neighbors, had a small outbreak of avian influenza. So it put us on a higher level. Cayman is right there. Avian influenza would destroy our poultry sector. Not only the big companies, but also the backyard farmers. So right away, our surveillance went up. We spoke to our Cayman as well. Partner with us.
Afternoon, sir. What is this section? So basically, it's a YouTube channel, so I was wondering if you can just explain it on camera. Picture of this, We're not live.
you have to say everything that you have on the mind. So that's basically yeah. So just tell us walk through everything what this section is.
Inspector Desiree Holness. With me I have Detective Sergeant Brooks. We're from the Agricultural Protection Branch. We're here in Denbigh. This is our second year. The Agricultural Protection Branch is basically about protecting our farmers, safeguarding our crops and protecting our infrastructure. What we do is to have a relationship with our farmers, also our stakeholders, in protecting, as I said, what we grow and what we rear. We educate persons as it relates to the safety when it comes down to larceny of cattle and predial larceny, because predial larceny is different from larceny of cattle. Predial larceny has to deal with crops, while cattle comes under the Larceny Act. We have 5 different areas, Area 1, Area 2, 3, 4 and 5. Area 3, which consists of Manchester, St. Elizabeth and Clarendon. This is a branch that was established June 13, 2025. It's a year and a month old actually, and best believe we are breaking barriers. We are out there during the night, we're out there in the day sensitizing people about predial larceny and agricultural theft. We're doing what is to be done, just like public safety and security. We are out there for our farmers.
I saw a news probably 2 years ago where a farmer was talking to surveillance camera. Basically, not everybody can afford a surveillance camera on their property.
As it relates to surveillance camera, what we would tell farmers when they go to sensitization, we see those little bulbs that carry those little cameras that works off solar. It works because in St. Elizabeth, I can tell you, reports on predial larceny, especially when it comes on to scallion and those farmers, the crops, I see where they are using solar cameras in their farms. And trust me, we haven't had reports on that side of St. Elizabeth since they have started using the solar cameras. They're very affordable and it's easy to use.
You don't have to worry about the light outage or anything.
No light outages. But to keep predial larceny down, the farmers have to put in daily the much. The police alone cannot do it. So that's why we are collaborating with all the stakeholders. No farmer is too far. We have motorcycles now that we can go deep rural. We have 4-wheel drive trucks that we can go deep rural. We want to be everywhere. We started out with 51 and we're at 120 persons at this time. That is to show you the work that the Agriculture Protection Branch has been doing around Jamaica. The Ministry of Agriculture is with this 100%. The Commissioner of Police is with this 100%. And we'll continue to grow. We'll continue to safeguard. And we'll continue to protect our farmers.
The channel is called Troy's Way. Troy's Way. Yeah.
E-R-O-Y?
Z.
E-R-O-Y.
Yes, basically W-A-Y. W-A-Y.
No, because I can't see it. Go online. When you go online, you go online and just
On YouTube, yeah.
oh, YouTube. Yeah, maybe follow it.
Thanks very much. Yeah.
Well, the first time I taste this, I almost broke my teeth, you know.
What that? Black Oscar?
Yeah.
That one, alright, you know. See them one now with your taste?
Yeah. If I can probably.
One treat to see.
The one that you taste was much thicker than this. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that simply means it have a lot of flour in it. This is less flour, more coconut with coffee. You understand? So I'm gonna make you taste this. Yeah. So it's still crispy. Yeah? But it's not as tough as the original one.
Why do you make this so hard?
Well, I don't know. But so we have less flour in this one and more sugar in it. Yeah.
Alright, so if anyone wanted to like purchase this, how would they reach out to you after them?
After the event?
Yeah.
So they can reach out to me at 337-8531, or you can go on my Instagram page, which is official_Kamgar Coffee.
Kamgar Coffee?
Yes. Yes.
You have a card?
No, I have a digital one. Alright,
so just mention the social media to me one more time.
Okay, so you can reach me on Instagram, which is official_Kamgar Coffee. Yes.
And which part of Jamaica would you say you're located?
So the office is in Greater Portmore, but I'm in different stores like the Greater Portmore.
The shopping center?
No, the office is in Greater Portmore, but the stores that you can find the products in are like Ilo, Portmore, Pavilion, Ligani, Barbican, Manor Park, and you can also find it in La Souche and Barbican. Yeah. Fresh Food, Constant Spring Road, General Foods, Ligani, and of course we specialize in value-added coffee products.
You see all over the place, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
so this jelly is you can use on your jerk chicken, your pork, your ham, your burger, your franks, your mac and cheese. It also a great enhancer.
How much for something like this?
So you can get it here for 1,200. Yeah. And we have a coffee syrup used on your pancake, your waffles, mudslide, ice cream, yogurt, smoothies. You can use it and sweeten your coffee as well. Yeah. You want to try it with a crackers pudding? Yeah. You know you never hear about them pudding yet?
Crackers pudding?
Yeah.
Right, people, comment in the comment section if you never hear about crackers pudding. You know for too young or too old, but never sample crackers pudding for the first time.
Alright.
So I plan
so I can put a little of the syrup on it. There you go. Yeah, man. And of course, the syrup also enhance it as well. Yeah. Tastes good. Well, you can tell them now, so you have tasting crackers pudding.
I didn't know it was a thing.
Yeah, not just cornmeal pudding, potato pudding, but crackers pudding. Yeah. Yeah. So now you know about Kamgar products.
Yes.
So that syrup that you just tasted, it was nominated for Observe Food Award this year. Yeah. Thank you very much.
So guys, these are his products them, and I'm telling you the sauce is very good. The crackers pudding, first time tasting it, but I'm telling you that the sauce on it is very good. So you heard the information. I'm gonna put the information on the screen so you can reach out to. If you're interested, you want to just test the product. If you couldn't make it to Denbigh, I'm gonna put the information so you can reach out to him. All right. Thanks very much. All right. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to move on to some other sections.
You need 1,000 people. So if you're listening to us now, 90.3, 90.5, 90.7, 90.9, come to the Denbigh Agriculture Show. It's only $1,500. So we can say
Star fruit. What's the price of one of these plants? 69. Which one would be for the 900?
Something like sweet stuff or sour stuff. Actually, more look like the sour stuff without the prickly part. You just move.
Okay. So if anyone wanted to reach out to you after Denbigh,
Yeah, man, we have. Promote your run walk. We have a run walk coming up August 23. So this is our website, so you can get all information about forestry, the plants and everything. Yeah. It's coming up August 23. For a good cause, it's for our plants and to enhance the forest in Jamaica, with the relief program and the Melissa. So we're really trying to build up back the environment.
okay. So there's no phone number?
Oh, you want a phone?
Yeah. Where?
Instagram, the phone number, the website, and our location.
sir. Denbigh 2026. So you can see for yourself, people, there's a lot of people here. It's very windy at the moment. The sun is still kicking though. But at least we're getting a bit of a wind. All different booths. This is a coffee. It's a coffee one. So some more tools for the farm. I'm still the price here. So it's at the price of this here machine. Check out some more of them tools. So I do a little YouTube video, right? Which me go around all of the booths and just find the information from all of the companies after them when them can reach out to the guys. So if you can start to them on the camera.
Where you want we machine them?
Yeah, all of them. Just basically just give them information where them can reach out to you if they're interested after Denbigh and which part of Jamaica you're located.
Okay. What may I say?
You don't come from H&M, girl?
No, man. No, sir. I want them. I don't know what to
A cameraman that. Come on,
so let's tell them all the information about the company and where they can.
Alright, so greetings. It's a new video from H&M Agri. So here we have a bunch of equipment here on sale just to increase productivity with our farmers, ensure that the workload is lighter by reducing manual labor, right? Now, this line is a Bonifa line in India that supplies H&N Agro, India. Yeah, so H&N Agro is the main distributor, so you can get all these products from H&N Agro, and they are located. They are located right across the island. You can find them. Their retail stores, Manchester, in Mandeville. You can find them also in Kingston, in Ocho-Rios, right, in St. Elizabeth, right. So you can reach out to any H&N Agro representative. You can visit the website, get more information, and you can get access to all our Bonifa equipment to make farming easier. Repeat that?
What's the name of it? Where you pronounce the name?
H&N Agro. Bonifa.
Bonifa.
Yeah.
So where is it different?
So apart from these, we sell products and technologies to increase agricultural productivity, such as your pesticide, which includes your insecticides, your herbicides, and your fungicides. We also supply seeds as well. So whether you're planting tomato, cucumber, sweet corn, etc., we supply seeds as well, right? We also we supply fertilizer, right? So we have our solid field line that you can use in your drip irrigation. We also have our 30 plus line and other foliar line of fertilizer. So we bring all the essential tools that the farmers need to get the results that they want.
So you don't sell the tools alone, also.
Not just the tools alone, but everything to ensure that your farming is productive.
You don't have to go here, sir.
You don't have to go here, sir. It's a one-stop shop. Everything.
Alright, thank you.
Yo.
Thank you. Alright, so we're gonna move on to some other booths, people. Alright, so as you can see, there's a lot of booths here. I can't check out all of them, but the ones that will look unique, we're going to just approach them and we'll just see if we can talk to the people them if they want to be on camera. And talk a little spice vinegar. Good afternoon. What can you tell me about this spice vinegar?
Yeah man, spice vinegar, the only one in the country. Partnership with ICU.
So yeah, just explain the spice vinegar, because we never see nothing with vinegar with a spice.
Yeah man, this is a...
Which one is spice? Spice or Richie Spice?
Spice World Spice. This is vinegar. I know we're used to the normal white plain vinegar, but Phoenix Manufacturing, in association with ICD Youth, we have developed a spice vinegar. We have a line of product we're working on. And we also have some sweet pepper powder, Scotch bonnet flakes. This is a product that you won't find anywhere else.
Pimento flavor.
Pimento flavor. Pimento flavor, my boss. And we have a whole line of it working because we know we want to add zest to our product and a new twist to what we do. Smell it, man.
Strong.
So we're telling people, come to the iSeed booth, get your honey, get your spice vinegar, get your bell pepper crush, bell pepper flakes. Come Scotch bonnet paper, come to iSeed Youths, innovative.
So between the regular vinegar and where that's like the benefit?
The benefit of this gives you a zest, a touch up, a notch. So if you want to make your preserves, you don't need any vinegar. If you want to make an escabeche sauce, you don't need just put in your onion, your pepper, your carrot, and you're gone. You're gone. It doesn't need pimento.
Alright, so these are not in all the supermarkets?
Not yet inside the supermarkets. We're pushing them out, we're selling them to people we know, and we're using this as a launching pad for what we're going on.
Alright, so if anyone wanted to like...
The number is on it, 542-8919.
Oh, so the phone number?
It's 542-8919.
So 542-8919. Alright. And what's this, manufactured and trading? 8 Logwood. Yeah. Oh, Portmore Pines. Portmore?
Yes, man.
Alright.
We are from Portmore. The ICD is from Portmore too.
Alright.
Around Grangeley.
Alright.
And so we integrate the farm with the community. And we bring on board other stakeholders to because we believe that integration of the farm and the business community and the stakeholders is will benefit the community. Further along, the IC youths, every time you buy a pack of the powder seasoning, $50 is set aside for people who have experienced gender violence and need some assistance.
All right, so you hear that for yourself. Yes, man. All right, thanks very much. All right. Yes. All right, so we're gonna touch on a few more booths, and you can call it a day. So the time right now is 2:33 p.m. and the place is getting even more crowded. I can't just imagine Sunday or Sunday if today looks like this. Can you imagine Sunday, people?
Taste the best syrups in town. We have our cherry, we have our melon, we have pineapple, we have orange wine, ginger beer.
This brother just there, so I chilling at the hot sun. But generally good? Oh, you just like relax yourself. It's like get attached. Oh, no answer. Alright, look a bit.
Over this village is free. No money. Thank you all for coming. Free of cost. Everything over here is free of cost. Alright, dental aid, Jamaica aid support, nutrition, dehydration, the HPV vaccine. Let me tell you something, you need to take your children, get it done, age 9 to 14, up to 26 female, get your HPV vaccination done. It is done right here. Don't wait.
So everything around this section is free, dental and some other rest of stuff. See the Ministry of Health and Wellness around here, so if you're here, could I get your checkup for free? Hold on, the section look full, man. I wonder what going over the section.
Cannabis, anything buzzing.
What them in, boss?
Some of them have ganja, rum punch and ganja rum cream. Strawberry, chocolate, pumpkin spice, citrus blast, ocean buzz, red velvet.
So you made them yourself?
Everything with them. I'm a chemist by profession, so we just put them to use, you know?
Alright, so them over there, so?
Yeah, man, you can get a free sample right there. So we have edibles, gummy beer, chocolate, peanut cake, right there, so.
I'm boss. Alright, now check them out. And there's a jump up.
On our social media, it's Cannabuzz 876. That's Cannabuzz with 3 Z's.
Alright, so you hear it for yourself, guys. You can check out the information and you can get your sample. Them taste very, very good. I didn't taste all of them, but from the few that I tasted, them taste really good.
And we also have marijuana for medicinal purposes as well. So we have our topical pain oil. This is good for any external pain at all. I even use it for my period cramps. I work out, I use it to ease my sore muscles. It even good with arthritis and stuff like that. And we have our sublingual oil. You would take like a drop to 3 drops of this under your tongue before bed. It gives you a good night's rest. Plus, it will like literally heal any internal ailments, cancer, glaucoma, cataract, prostate. And these are things that we've had, reviews about from actual customers.
Alright, so you hear it for yourself, guys. I'm gonna leave the number on the screen so you can reach out to them. Alright, thanks. Yeah?
Yes, no problem.
So 58,500. You know what kind of machine this deal with the chicken. I think this kind of strip the chicken them up there. Wait a second, them skin. So they strip the chicken them to their skin. So this company is called Jagan Hardware and Farm Store. So this is the vibe of Denbigh 2026, everybody. So there's a lot more stuff to check out.
Welcome back. It's all about the Denbigh Agricultural Show 2026. We don't stop on the road.
Some cow on the section, or the section with the animals and stuff.
No man, it did them man, it did them.
Here you go. Yeah, bless. So the goat, rum goat section. Alright, so the animal section is Alright everybody, so I'm gonna tune out. Do remember this was the 2026 Denbigh. This was the second day, the Saturday and Emancipation Day. Alright, so leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which one of the Denbigh you turned out for. Either it was the Friday, the Saturday or the Sunday, and let me know which one was the biggest one. Alright, so I really hope you like this video. So do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel and share the videos as well guys. Alright, so until next time, peace.